Hello guys. Yeah, actually not guys. And yeah, another battle. Yeah, let's start. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, Samurai Pegasus and Galaxy Pegasus. Let's start. Stadium out. 1-0. It was good. Yeah. And oh my god, 2-0. It's gonna be good, but my launcher is terrible. Terrible launcher. I hope I can buy a new one. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. That was good. Just caught it, man. Caught it. 2-1. Let's see. Go. Oh my god, that was a good shot. And yeah, that was a real fast ball. Samurai Pegasus was just, what a good bait. Like, it's a good blade. Bay, no bay. And yeah, good attack power and yeah, good performance. So yeah, guys. I mean, guy, yeah. I want it. So yeah, that was done, and yeah, guys, thanks for watching.